Hi everyone, this is Krista with our graphic studio. Today I'm going to show you how to upload and assemble a trifold mirror card to use on your cutting machine. I will also show you a decorated version of this card at the end of the video, but you can easily convert it to birthdays or any other special occasion. So let's get started. If you have not already downloaded your SVG file, you can go to my Etsy shop by going to etsy.com and searching for Art Graphics Studio, then scroll or search for the SVG you're looking for. If you are a Cricut Design Space user, you may be able to access my free designs. For more information, see my note at the end of this video. So the first thing you need to do is to upload your project. So we'll go to Upload, Upload Image, and then we'll browse to wherever it is that we're keeping that project. Find the SVG file, click on it, and press Open. This will bring it to you to your upload screen. So now we want to go to Upload, click on the project, and Add to Canvas. Now this will come in as a grouped file, but this box right here needs to be 11 inches, or anything, any size really that you would like to have it be. But if you want it to cut on a single 12 by 12 mat, then it will need to be 11 inches. So I'm going to create a rectangle that is 11 inches wide, and it really doesn't matter how high it is, because we're just checking this. I'm going to line it up, and then I'm going to make it 11 inches wide. Now this looks like my project is a little smaller than 11 inches, so I'm going to change it to 11 inches. We'll have it match that box. Okay, that looks like that's about right, so I don't need that anymore. I'm going to delete that, and I'm going to enlarge it again. Now this we can now ungroup. This is the base of the card, and these are score lines, so we need to denote those as score lines. So we're going to click on it and then ungroup it again, and then click on any of the score lines you see there, and you will see this box turns red. That means I have designated those as score lines. So change basic cut to score. Now you can see the score lines. And then we're going to select both the box and the score lines and attach them together. Now these inserts are different colors, so it's entirely up to you if you want to keep them different colors or change them. I'm going to go ahead and change them all so that they're the same color. That way it just saves paper or cardstock when I'm cutting it. And since this is just for demonstration, it really doesn't matter. All right, now we're ready to make it. I'm going to save my project and then go to Make It. Now, if you have the latest version of Cricut Design Space, you may see this screen. And so now you can set your system to default to on mat if you'd like to, which is what I've done here. Now I can continue. Now once you've got everything cut out, we'll go to the assembly. Here are all the pieces for the mirror card, and you may be able to see the fold lines here, 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 and here. Now these two will be folded the same way as these two. They'll be folded back. So let's go ahead and make the fold lines. And then we'll fold on the diagonals. Make sure we've got these folded right on the score line.
Same thing on this side. This will be the front. This will be the back. Now you want to go ahead and put your cardstock. This will be the front, and you will not glue it to this portion, only to this portion. And you can use dimension dots if you want to. You can just glue it down, whatever you'd like to. And then you'll do the same thing for each of these pieces. As such. And you can also put in cardstock in these pieces. On each of these corners. So we'll do that and then we'll be right back. Now here we have it with all the pieces put in. Now this is the front, as I said, and the pieces that go on the front will actually overlap the fold like this. So when you put the glue on, you put the glue here. We'll do that. Now, of course, you can put adornments, you can put sentiments, whatever you'd like to, on any of these surfaces. All right, we're going to let that dry and then we'll come back. All right, here we are. This is our mirror fold card. And as I said, you can put anything that you'd like to on here to decorate it for whatever occasion you're making the card for. I've got one I'm working on for Christmas, and I will make that and show it to you, the finished product. So here's the one that I promised that I would show you, the Christmas one. And I put the dimensionals on here, on the cover. Now you want to be sure that you don't put the dimensionals on this top part here. Now I have some additional things to put on here. And I'm going to put some dimensionals on those too. So we'll do that. It just gives it a little more dimension. And of course you can use these not just for Christmas, but for any kind of holiday or event that you want to, that you'd like to use. think I'll put it this way. All right, there we are. Our mirror fold card. Because this card is a little thick, because of the dimensions, I've added a belt. And that's easy to make. Just slide it on and off. That's it. I'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching, and if you find this video useful, don't forget to click the like, subscribe, and notification bell to stay informed about more exciting projects. I appreciate you watching my video, and I will see you next time. If you're a Cricut user, you can access some of my free designs simply by opening the Cricut Design Space, and in the home screen, type in my shop name, Art Graphic Studio, and search. When this next screen comes up, scroll to the bottom and click on my profile. This will bring up my profile page, and all of my shared projects will be listed. Just a note though, if you're not a Cricut Access member, Cricut may want to charge you for any of their components that were used in the original design.